Today on AB5, we'll be making Tuwo Shinkafa paired with beans soup, jute leaves, and pepper stew. I begin by soaking my rice. I soak it for a couple of hours. After soaking it, I wash it thoroughly and put it in a parchment paper in a tray to let it dry. You can sun dry it, or you can use oven dry. I oven dried my own, so it is dried here. So after drying it, I blend it. So after blending it, this is what we have. So I go on to prepare my bean soup. I'm going to be soaking my beans for a couple of hours also. And after soaking it, I peeled the skin off and transferred it into my pot. I added some onions and let it cook for a while until it softens. Here I'm adding in my meat stock and also let it cook for a while. After cooking it, I blended the beans inside my blender. Then I transfer it into a sieve and sieve it into the pot to ensure that there is no lump, to make it very creamy and smooth. So I'm adding my pepper mix. I add it into the beans and also add some salt, and I let it sit and cook for a while. So after cooking, I added a little bit of red oil just to give it that reddish look. In a pot, I added some oil, a little bit of red oil, and my pepper, some salt, and I added my protein. I'm using turkey, chicken, fish, and some liver, and I let it cook. I let it cook some minutes, then I go over to making my Tuwo Shinkafa. I took a little bit of the flour, I added water to make the base of the tuwo. So here I'm mixing it together. I have to mix it very well to ensure that there is no lump. And after letting it cook for a while, I added the remaining rice flour. And I mix it. I'm doing this on medium high heat. So I scoop it together and added some warm water, and I let it cook for some minutes. So after some minutes, I turn it together and it's still a little bit hard, so I added in some more water and I mix it together, and here it is done. It is cooked. So I scooped it together. My tuwo is ready. So this is it in my plate, and still looking beautiful. Added my beans soup, my jute leaves, and some protein. Let me know in the comment section if you are going to be trying this. If you have not done so, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until the next time, bye.